Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum all dear students. I hope so you all are fine and the best state of health and iman. I am here to teach you bio of class 6 from City English School System. So let's start with dua. Qala rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Today our next topic is photosynthesis. Okay students, today we start our next topic that is called photosynthesis. And before starting this topic, I will give you the little concept of photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is the combination of two different words, photo and synthesis. Photo mean light and synthesis mean to make. Okay, photo mean light and synthesis mean to make. That's mean the process that is used to make food using light. Now come on the definition. Plants make their food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. As you know, I will tell you about photosynthesis, that a photosynthesis is a combination of two different words. Photo mean light and synthesis mean to make. The meaning and the meaning of this definition, photosynthesis का मतलब है ऐसा प्रोसेस जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और लाइट को यूज़ करके फूड बनाता है. वेयर photosynthesis is occur, plant making process. Okay, where occur in plants. photosynthesis कहाँ का प्रोसेस कहाँ पाया जाता है? प्लांट्स के अंदर. Why? To make their food. Plants are make their food using the process that is called photosynthesis. Plants food बनाते हैं और उस food बनाने के लिए जो process use होता है, that process is called photosynthesis. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि photosynthesis का meaning क्या है. The word photosynthesis are come from two Greek words. Photo mean light and synthesis mean to make. That is the meaning of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is occur कहाँ पे होता है? In plants. And why? To make their food. Okay. Plants are also involve oxygen during photosynthesis. The little amount of oxygen are also present in this process. Okay students, come on the next. In the below here you see a little equation. Okay, this equation define the whole process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis are use carbon dioxide and water and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, and what it produce? Glucose and oxygen. सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल की प्रेजेंस में फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस होता है जिसके अंदर दो चीज़ें रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. इन दोनों की प्रेजेंस में फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस होता है एंड देन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड और इसके रिजल्ट में हमारे पास व्हाट इज़ अ प्रोडक्ट? ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन आर फॉर्म. ओके, इस फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस में फर्स्ट हमारे पास प्लांट्स में फूड बनता है एंड सेकंड ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन आर आल्सो प्रोड्यूस इन दिस प्रोसेस. ओके, दैट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. मीन्स कि फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस में जो रिजल्ट में हमारे पास फूड के अलावा ग्लूकोज एंड ऑक्सीजन भी प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. सो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दैट डेफिनेशन एंड दैट इक्वेशन डिफाइन द होल कंसेप्ट ऑफ photosynthesis. Okay, come on the next page, page number 28, and there is a new topic that is related to the photosynthesis. The topic is importance of photosynthesis. And I hope so you will clear the concept of photosynthesis. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको photosynthesis से related कोई question नहीं होगा about their definition, about their word and about their functioning. And next is importance. What is the importance of photosynthesis in our daily life? कि हमारी लाइफ में photosynthesis की importance क्या है? If photosynthesis is not occur, then what happened with us? What is the changing around us? So that is all about related to the photosynthesis. So come on, their importance. Photosynthesis is one of the most important chemical change that take place in our world. That if photosynthesis would not take place, there would be no life. That all are very deep words are related to our life and are related to the photosynthesis. If photosynthesis would not take place, अगर photosynthesis का process नहीं होगा, okay, that mean if photosynthesis are not take place in plants, then what happen? What are the result of this? There would be no life. So इसके result में life, all living organism are dead.